Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
For formality's sake, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Ezes Sunday.
Okay.
Ezudo to Ndigbo of the local government, Lagos State, Nigeria.
Okay. I can see that you have some guests, fellow Ezes, from different places in Lagos State, visiting your territory and constituency. Why are you people here today?
You can see what happened, and some people from our this thing that they say that they are Ndigbo of Lagos State, which they are not our members. So even as at yesterday, some people from the press, some from the DSS, calling me, asking me what is happening in Amodofu. That some people are coming to do some event at the Apple Hall, which I told them I'm not aware. So based on what is happening, the Ezes has to come and say that we have to take a press conference that we are not aware of what is happening. They will be saying want to build a palace of 1.5 billion. So that is why we are here. And you can see some of Ohanaeze members are here, even the DSS of Amodofu is here presented.
Now, with the resolution and communique raised by the Ezes, what is your advice to some of these people in Amodofu who are flying certain names or self-styled people? What is your advice?
My advice to them is that they have to follow due process. Like we have our landlords, our hosts here. Anything they are going to do, let them follow and go to due process. Let them follow the law of the state. You don't just come and jump in and start saying you want to be Eze in our first time or Eze in our or Obindigo. Somebody that they say they crown Obi at Alimosho. From Alimosho, you want to do something in Amodofu. What is based on Alimosho and Amodofu? So please, I advise my brothers to follow the process. Whatever they are doing, let them follow the process. That's my advice to them.
Are you saying that this man in question, this man that has been arrested, Azubuike, engineer Azubuike, does not reside in Amodofu? Is that what you're trying to say?
That's what I'm saying. I heard that he resides in Alimosho. And he was crowned Obi in Alimosho by one of our members, one of our elders. Obi is just a high chief, not a Eze or what, he's just a high chief. Now he want to build a palace in Amodofu, soliciting for 1.5 billion. Who does that?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.